Well, AD Construction's got what you need. A Barndominium where you plant your seed. Red barn walls and windows tall, a cozy home where love won't fall. They'll build its strong foundation tight, raise those beams to touch the sky. Every plan a promise made, in a place where memories never fade. In a Barndominium, dreams come true. Whispering winds and skies so blue. A haven built with heart and hand, your own sweet corner of this blessed land. Steel and wood, they blend just right. Rustic charm meets modern light. Rooms where kids can laugh and play, and porches where we'll watch the day. The smell of hay and morning dew, in each nook a story new. 80s crew, all grit and pride, they'll build the home where you'll reside. In a Barndominium, dreams come true. Whispering winds and skies so blue. A haven built with heart and hand, your own sweet corner of this blessed land. In a Barndominium, dreams come true. Whispering winds and skies so